This is my no stress go to makeup routine. Whether I am heading out, filming, or just need that put together feeling, this look never fails me. Starting with the pore filling primer. This primer is from Inside Cosmetics, and putting that on my T-zone and blending it out. Here I am using Vaseline lip balm to hydrate my lips. For the base, I am using L'Oreal Paris Infallible Concealer and applying it under my eyes, on forehead, nose and chin, and blending it with a foundation brush. And for the under eyes, I am using a concealer brush to blend everything. Now I am using Etude House Water Tint for the flush of color on my cheeks, and this is so pretty. For setting up my face, I am using PAC Cosmetics loose powder and applying it all over my face. Now, to make the makeup look flawless, sweat proof, I am using PAC Cosmetics makeup fixing spray, and for the eyebrows I am using Miss Clear eyebrow pencil. Here I am bronzing up my face a bit, and the bronzer is from Sugar Cosmetics. Now I am applying a powder blush. This is from Sugar Pop, and this blush is so freaking pigmented, and the shade is 01 Rose. This is so pretty and pigmented. For the eyes, I usually only do mascara, but here I am using a bronzer as a transition, and now I'm curling, and of course the mascara is important. For lips, I am applying a brown lip liner to line my lips. This is from Miss Clear. I was going out with my family, so I quickly changed my outfit, and here I am wearing my hoops. For the lipstick, I have applied this Mars Cosmetic lipstick, and this shade is so pretty. Here is the final look. Do let me know what you guys think about it, and yeah, please subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.